The homeowner seems to have committed a crime. The cops will take her away by force if she doesn't open the door. She insists on not opening the door. Look what happens next.
There's video of it.
How did I slap him?
So you need to unlock the door?
When did I slap him?
Unlock the door.
Please show me the video where I slapped him.
I will show it to you, but you need to unlock this door.
No, I did not slap him.
If you do not unlock this door, we will force our way inside the house.
You don't see
and
him
we will
doing
take you to jail. We're trying to do this the easy way, but you're making
No, I'm not. Why would I not? I literally waited for you guys to report this for hours.
I know. And we
I'm
got
not
to it
doing
now.
this.
Right
No.
now, I will breach this door. Don't tempt me. I really wanted to, but it's not worth it.